Good day and welcome. I'm Martin Folkwain, and today I'm gonna explain thoroughly how to solve a 3x3 cube using the CFOP method. This tutorial will be conducted in either 2 or 3 videos of explaining the entire solving process of the 3x3 cube. In addition to actually just showing a few tips and tricks to actually just to understand the cube. So first off, a few references that I will be using throughout the videos is 2 terms, is a layer and a panel. What I mean with that is you get your 3 different layers. It's your bottom layer, your middle layer, as well as your top layer. What I mean with a panel is if you move a block or a block piece, I refer to this as a moving panel. Okay, the reason being is if you want to move a specific piece, like this corner piece to the other side, you will move this moving panel, and this corner piece will be included in this moving panel, and I will be using this reference to say getting the corner piece that's on the moving panel to get it outside of the moving panel, that it's outside, and to a static section that is not on the moving panel itself. So in essence, that is just a few terms that I'm going to use. The other terms is basic terms that you might have seen across the web while searching for a tutorial, is the top layer, the bottom layer, the right layer, or the right side, left side, back side, and front side. Okay. Now the way I'm going through my way of moving the cube is if I only say right side, it's a clockwise turn. If I say right counterclockwise, it will refer to a counterclockwise turn. So in this case, this side will be the right side. This is in just a normal right turn, and this is a counterclockwise turn. So all the basics now out of the way. Now let us start solving the cube. So essentially what we want to do to get started with is we want to get a plus sign or a cross or whatever you want to call it, a plus sign. I will be referencing it as or the white cross, as the internet might, and a lot of solving guides. So let's stick to the basics you might already know. So it's a white cross that we want to achieve. Now there's various sections now that we can see. Okay, there's a blue and a white edge piece, which should be on this side, and it should be flipped that the white is on top. Now there's various ways you can do this. What I would suggest is play around with the cube, pause and take one edge piece and see what happens if you move the panels around. Like with this one, this is we are looking now for the blue and the white edge piece. If you move the moving panel, what happens to that edge piece? Okay, and where can it go in that manner? So in this case, it's on that section there, and we want it on that section. So moving forward now, we can say, okay, the green is on that side, so the blue is on the opposite side. So we want to turn it so that when we turn the moving panel, we can move it so that the edge piece that is blue form part of the center piece that is also blue. And then you can see that aligns properly. We can just switch it up and move this moving panel so that that corner piece is included there. So basically what happened now was we took this one, we switched that panel and swing it back up, and that it's there. Okay, so now we have this alignment of the white and the blue. Now to get the other ones, now we can see, okay, we have another white section there, but it doesn't align with the red. So you can just actually, to make it easy for yourself, do a 180 turn for that one, so that it's on the bottom side. Switch the bottom panel, that it's until the orange aligns. So now you can see it's a white, orange, and orange, and it has to be with the top. So you do a 180 turn again, and there we have two white edges matching up with this white centerpiece as well as their corresponding colors. So now we're looking for the green. Now we can see for this specific one it's already aligned, and we can just turn it so that it's aligning with our white cross. Last one but not least is the red one. Move it so that it aligns properly and it gets the white cross as such. Okay, once you are at this stage, you can flip the white cross so that it's on the bottom side. So white cross, bottom side, and the yellow will be on top. The reason being for this is for the next stage that I will be explaining, will be solving this entire bottom two layers. The reason being is, if you're doing it layer by layer, then you're going to repeat a lot of move sets, which kind of takes up time. So this is a quick beginner's guide to already go a bit faster than just the basic CFOP method, which is the first layers and then the rest. So in order to do this, I will be explaining this step in my next video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, you can subscribe or ask me any questions you like. If you want to go further, please watch the next video, and where I'll be explaining the next steps going forward in solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube.